We are making Basanti Pulav or Peeley Pulav today. This fragrant rice dish is a childhood favorite. Happy memories of celebration and festivities come flooding to my memory each time I make it. You will be able to cook this simplified recipe easily and fall for it. You want easy, tried and tested recipes? Then do subscribe to my channel. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. To temper the oil, you will require half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, 1 or 2 bay leaves, half a mace flower or Javitri, 2 to 3 cloves, some cinnamon stick, and green and black cardamoms that I have pounded. 1 cup of any short grained fragrant rice will do. Usually it's Govind Bhog rice that's used to make this recipe, but today I am using Katarni rice from Bihar that is equally fragrant. Wash the rice a couple of times with water and finally just drain the water. Put the rice on a sieve. Let it drain and dry out for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pan. You could use vegetable oil in its place or a mix of both. While the oil is heating up, keep some water on the boil. Add the tempering and cook it till the oil becomes fragrant. That should take about a minute. The rice has dried perfectly and this is the time to add it in. Cook the rice on low to medium heat till it turns nice and glossy. This pulao gets done in no time at all and you can never go wrong with this recipe particularly. It's always a delight to serve it out. Add a teaspoon of ginger and green chili paste. You could add the chili according to your taste. I don't like it too hot, so my ginger chili paste has very little chili in it and more of ginger. Cook till the raw smell goes away. Add in half a teaspoon of Haldi or turmeric powder. Cook it briefly. Add in half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix well and add in 1.5 cups of hot water. Bring that to a boil. Season with salt, 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Lower the heat to medium. This pulao has a mildly sweet taste. Not sweet, just a hint of it. And if you want, you could skip the sugar. That's fine too. I'll let that boil for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add in some fried cashew and a handful of soaked Kishmish or raisins. Mix well. Cover and let it cook on absolutely low heat for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes have gone by. Let us take a look. Just fluff it up lightly. See how much the rice has expanded. I'll just turn off the heat. Add in 2 green chilies. You could add in 3. You could add them whole or slit. Put the lid back and let it rest for another 5 minutes. Let us take a look. Smells divine. So just fluff it up one more time. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up. Send me your feedback when you try it. And that's ready to be served. I have packed the pulao into a container and I have just turned it upside down on a serving platter. Now very gently I'll just lift it up. Serve this Basanti Pulav with dal or curry on any day and make it special. Enjoy!